Here at Redneck Engineer PCs, when I build a computer, I want to be in the same headspace as my customer. So before I can start this build for Steffi Evans, I know exactly what I need to do. Now, I'm ready. Now, before we start building, let's take a quick look at the components that are going inside this computer. To start off, we've got the Intel i9-14900K. With 8 performance cores that can boost up to 6 gigahertz and an additional 16 efficiency cores, this CPU will have absolutely no problem running Call of Duty and her stream without even breaking a sweat. And speaking of sweating, to ensure that 14900K doesn't get too hot, we've got the EK Nucleus CR360. With the exception of an open loop water cooled system or the delidded version of this same AIO, this might be the best AIO on the market. Now, of course, with the 14900K, we had to pair it with an RTX 4090. We also went with the MSI MPG Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi 2, mouthful, but again, one of the best motherboards on the market. And all of those need a lot of power, so we've got the Seasonic Vertex 1200 watt power supply. There's also 64 gigs of RAM, a really fast 1 terabyte main SSD, and a reasonably fast 4 terabyte secondary SSD. And last, we're gonna be using this contact frame so we don't have any issues with that CPU. And the entire system is gonna live inside of this, the Fractal Pop Air XL. XL? XL, not the Microsoft Office thing. Right now, you're probably thinking to yourself, is this build even worth making an entire video out of? And the answer is yes. But I can't show you why just yet because the coup de grace is not gonna come until after we've put the PC together. So let's assemble this beast so I can show you what makes it so special. First time powering on Steffi Evans' brand new PCU, RTX 4090, 14900K, 64 gigs of RAM, 5 terabytes of storage, a 360 millimeter AIO, 1200 watts of power from Seasonic, all in the Fractal XL Pop Air, which is gonna have some serious custom design work. Here we go. Well, it's now finally time to share with you all the actual theme of this PC and how we were able to accomplish it. By now, I'm sure you've seen her content either here or on TikTok, where she really leans into all the toxicity from those fragile gamers. Let's be honest, they're mostly men, like she did in this clip.
I'm assuming you are drinking a meal replacement shake from Control, aren't you, with all that excitement?
I'm assuming you're a picnic that does not stop talking, and you still won't stop talking.
Did you know that you can have it for breakfast, snack time, on-the-go lunch, post-workup, and gaming hours? Oh, okay.
So to make a PC that was truly on brand for Steph, we decided to go with a dishwasher themed PC. Yeah, you heard me right, dishwasher themed. So we're doing our absolute best to make this look like a dishwasher. Starting with this side panel. As you can see, we actually designed our own buttons to be reminiscent of an actual dishwasher. We've got the power button, start, eco mode, delay, and cancel. In order to make those, we designed them ourselves. Sent it over to my friend at 208 Laser Engraving right here in Nampa. He took the designs and engraved them directly onto this panel so we can really start that look of a dishwasher and start creating the accent of the black finish with the brushed metal as well. The next thing I got was this authentic GE badge off Amazon. Because who wants some lame off-brand dishwasher? This baby, top of the line. And what else do you need for your dishwasher? Well, you need one of these, of course. How will Steph know if the load is clean, or more likely dirty, without one of these? Of course, it'll be set to dirty most of the time with all those toxic people in her S&D lobbies. Then after tons and tons of searching, I found the perfect thing to complete the look on this side of the case. A magnetic brushed steel appliance handle. Now it really looks like a dishwasher that you could open. Now that's what I call a dishwasher, volume 69. Now before we make our way to the other side, there's one more feature about this case I wanted to show you all. It actually comes with its own dishwasher pod holder. That way she can keep it clean when she plays with tactical grandma and stuff. It's like they were really thinking of her when they made this case. All right, it's all ready to go. Let's finish up this PC. All right, so we've done all the updates on the PC. I even did some in-game testing. Everything's running great. It's time to send it off to Steph so she can make even more incredible content. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you go check her out, check out some of our other stuff, and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it. See you next time. Here at Redneck Engineer PCs, I probably should have read the whole sentence before I started. Here at Redneck Engineer PCs, when I build a computer, I want to be in the same headspace as my customer.